been witnessing in the public space in the last 1 or 2 days is diversionary, where a member of parliament is taken to DCI for whatever reason. It looks like the people, desperate and ashamed of the act, of the blatant act of disrespect of the people's basic rights, that they're in a hurry to look for an excuse. We submit, my Lady Justice, that those efforts must come across. It's a valid title, and my colleague has argued very ably that the principle of res judicata does not apply, that you are properly seized of this matter, and you have jurisdiction. We add that you issue the necessary orders of immediately stopping this eviction, mass evacuation. In fact, my lady, what is happening in the river is a crime against humanity. By the way, this is a country signatory to the Rome Statute. An immediate order for an injunction, and so that people can salvage whatever little they're able to salvage. This matter, my lady, goes to the real conscience of a nation. I talk about a civilized, a population under siege. A population whose basic rights have been trampled upon, churches desecrated, as I earlier said in my opening remarks, and a complete dispensation with the provisions of Article 43 of our basic law, Constitution 2010. Therefore, we, on behalf of the 25,000 citizens, and a lot of them, my lady, are in that category of purchasers of value, and without notice to anything adverse. Therefore, we seek, my lady, in the interest of justice, that you stand in the gap and demonstrate, as my colleague Alfred Mutua was ably presented before you, ably demonstrate that this country is under the rule of law, and that it is not a police state where citizens in want cannot be easily reached with humanitarian help.